Hey there, busy parents! If your home feels like a constant battleground between toys, laundry, and dishes, you're not alone. Today, I've got your back with 5 easy cleaning hacks that will save you time, reduce stress, and bring some sanity back into your life. Ready to make cleaning less overwhelming? Let's dive in! Hack number 1, the power of 10-minute cleanups. Let's start with the 10-minute cleanup. This hack is all about short, focused cleaning sessions that fit into your busy schedule. Set a timer for just 10 minutes and tackle one area, like clearing off the kitchen counter or picking up toys in the playroom. When the timer buzzes, you're done. These quick bursts keep messes manageable without eating up your entire day. Trust me, consistency is the secret sauce here. Hack number 2, DIY cleaning spray for everything. Next, let's talk about a lifesaver, a DIY all-purpose cleaning spray. Here's a super easy recipe. Mix 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 10 drops of your favorite essential oil in a spray bottle. Shake it up, and voila, your go-to cleaning solution for countertops, tables, and even glass. It's cheap, eco-friendly, and incredibly effective. Plus, it smells amazing. Hack number 3, the clean-as-you-go approach. Now, this hack might change your life. Clean as you go. Whether you're cooking dinner or doing arts and crafts with the kids, take a moment to tidy up as you go. Wipe down surfaces while waiting for the pasta to boil, or load dishes into the dishwasher right after you use them. This small habit prevents clutter from piling up and saves you from facing a mountain of mess later. Hack number 4, involving the kids. Why do all the cleaning yourself when you've got built-in helpers? Involve your kids! Assign age-appropriate chores like dusting, putting away toys, or sorting laundry. Make it fun with upbeat music or a little reward system. Not only does this lighten your load, but it also teaches them responsibility and turns cleaning into a family activity. Hack number 5, embrace imperfection. Finally, let's talk about embracing imperfection. Your home doesn't have to look like a Pinterest board 24/7. Prioritize what matters most, quality time with your family. A little mess is okay. It's a sign of a home filled with love and life. So give yourself grace and focus on progress, not perfection. There you have it, 5 simple, stress-free cleaning hacks for busy parents. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've got your own genius cleaning tips, share them. I'd love to hear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more time-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're doing amazing.